The Nevada Supreme Court has upheld Michele Fiore's suspension with pay as a judicial discipline investigation does continue. She is running for re-election for Justice of the Peace in Nye County. According to court documents, the court ruled the suspension will stand after she was convicted of fraud. That conviction was later wiped away thanks to a pardon from President Trump. She responded to the court decision saying she will keep fighting. Previously, Fiore has also served as a state treasurer.